Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And Derek the Doinkey's with us today, little Derek the Doinkey, because it's time for the next issue of the ImagineFX magazine. So this one is issue 205 for November 2021, and it just popped through my letterbox this morning. So it's like a little surprise thing, but these are the ones so far from this year. So this is issue number 200, that was 201, 202, 203, and that was the last one, 204. I think my favourite cover so far is this one here, 203. So let's see if the cover's as good as this one. But also I got some sad news. In the last video, Jess said that this issue here, which was issue number 202, is actually Claire's last ever issue. I didn't read it at the time, but if you read it at the bottom, she's actually talking about how she's left. I'm really sad about that. So this is the last time we'll ever see that little face. Oh, it does make me a bit sad, that does. And now we have this one here, little Ian. I don't think he's got very big shoes to fill. That's what I think. And I don't know whether anyone's going to be able to fill Claire's shoes. But let's get into this one. So I'm really excited for this one. So, well, actually, little Derek's got to let us in on this one. So he's gonna. I wonder what colour it is. What colour do you reckon it is? I'd like it to be a pink one, I think. A little pink one. What I do on these is I'll just have a look at the magazine for the first time. Hey, we got the bum again. Hey, we got a little piece of paper here. What's this? Yay! Ooh, what's this? Hello. First of all, thank you for reading. Some long-lasting may have noticed my name from issues of old. What's this here, look? Well, I'll have to read that later. But actually, I like that. Look, hopefully we get this every issue. We've got like a little personal letter from little Ian. Hopefully he's asking for some feedback or something. Look, as a fan of ImagineFX and a past contributor, ImagineFX means a lot to me, which is why I can guarantee that every issue will be made with passion. I guess that's all that matters really, isn't it? It doesn't matter what the face looks like, it's what the passion's like. So let's have a look at this one. Hey, we've got a pink side. Yay! We got a little pink one. Well, this is for the month of November, and there's an element of creepiness to it for like Halloween, I think. So, oh, cool. It's a comic artist special. So this one's with the artist Joshua Swaby. What do I think about this one? Well, for me, this one's still my favourite, but this one's beautiful. I like the way that the smoke effect is sort of like paper. It looks like that. But the weird thing is the green. A very strange choice to go with that green, I think, but it works. And I like the fact that we've got a little lady. But so this is still my favourite cover. Let's get into this one though. Little Derek the Doinkey's gonna let us in. Doing. What have we got here? Look, we've got Super Lady, Superwoman, Superman, and we've got lots of little, looks like little Marvel characters. We got the that looks like a nice studio space. That looks nice as well. Cool. I won't actually be going. Oh look, hopefully oh, I like the colours here. This will be the next one on sale 1st of October. What's it going to be all about? Refreshing your digital art skills. I love those colours. It's beautiful green. I like this one here. I like all of these actually. So hopefully it'll be like a female character special. Female fantasy characters. So these are the resources. I don't actually look at I'm not going to look at the videos anymore in these magazines, only because it takes a bit more time. So you're still getting Rebel 4 for free, which upsets me a little bit because I miss out on that. Here's the FX Pose 8-bit. I like this one here, look. That's cool, that one. I always like it when you get like swirly shapes going on in the background. It's kind of cool. Oh, that's nice. And this one. My favourite characters so far, look. Look how cool these are. Oh, I love her outfit. She's got like big chunky outfit. That is one of my favourite characters. Cool, look at her little feet there. They're just like little stumps or something. This is by the artist Mary Joy Cardaño. How cool is that? She's got Joy in her name. That's her little Instagram. I love this artist. I feel like that might be my favourite artist in this issue. That's a nice one as well. I have to say, these FX Pose 8-bits are getting better and better. That's what I think. The timeless draw of Judge Dredd. Oh cool, it's going to be like lots of comic book stuff. Not 100%, oh nice. I like that. Finding your voice. I'm not 100% into comic books. That's a funny one. I wonder who that is, what sort of character that is. It's like a little gay Superman. Oh yeah, look at that. How cool is that? Look at the bookshelf. Looks like a proper professional. I think they're manga, aren't they? Some of those. Look at the books, look. Oh, I love this. It's like a sort of futuristic-y type. Got a PlayStation controller there. What does it say about that? PS3 to the PC so I can remote play my PS5. I wouldn't like to do that because for me that would be very distracting. I would not want to be having my games on the same system as my drawing thing. I'd actually separate those, I think. Look at that though. Got a projector. Is that a projector? I think it is. Who is this? Kael NGU. Oh, brilliant. I love that there's lots of traditional going on as well. Here's the books. I'm always drawn to books for some reason. That's brilliant, that is. Here's the little letters. I'll read one of those on the next issue, I think. Steve Rude. Oh, I'd love to have a name like that, Steve Rude. I like the shape of that. Here's an ImagineFX Legend. Look at that, look. Oh cool, look, we've got a little sketch font one here, look. She's nice. Oh, I like these. They feel a bit sort of like normally comic books are very hard and edgy. These feel a lot more softer. So it's almost like I'm not used to Stan Manoukian. I like these ones. Look at these, look. Cool. This is the artist, look. It's their little website. It's my favourite bit. My two favourite bits in these magazines is the sketchbook bit and the artist workstation. That's my favourite. I like this though. We've got like lots of little creatures. Spider-Man. Cool. Life lessons with Spider-Man. Oh, this would be a good one for a podcast. Look, it's going to be probably 10 tips, I reckon. Is it 10? Yeah, 10 little tips, or 10 little life lessons. The secret to success: take the time to learn a new skill. Know when to walk away. Love your heroes. Embrace diversity. That's quite funny, because I saw one of the letters, it said, where's the diversity? Look. That's quite cool. Keep an open mind. I feel like that's key to life. I think that is probably one of the... She's nice. That's, who's that? I feel like I've seen him before. Very sexy. Oh, I've seen her before as well. I like that one. There's a cover there, look. Little cover. I like this one. Depict the iconic Harley Quinn. I'm loving that smoke. Oh look, we've got a little reference as well. And we've got multiple covers. I love it when they do that as well. I like that. She's got a lot of attitude about it. See, I personally prefer that. For me, that's more unique. That's what I think. Yeah, and it's got more energy, I suppose, is it? Oh, this is cool, this one. Going right through the process. Get more from your brushes. Painter 2022. She looks cool. Look at her, look. Little artist. Isis Sosha. Kaiser Sosha. He's from Usual Suspects. Photoshop. Draw stylized comic panel art. That's cool. I'm loving the colours on this one. See, you're drawn to him because he pops. That's brilliant. I like that little guy as well. Yeah, look. Talking about where the eye's moving. Cool. This reminds me a little bit of the video game Catherine. On the video game Catherine, you've got this guy, I think he's called Vincent. He had to climb this tower with like a monster. It's just like that. Getting those sort of... Oh, I love this one. Look, traditional as well. Paint a dramatic comic cover. I like the limited colour palette on that. Look, 2.5 inches, little tiny little thumbnail thingies. Cool. Getting started in Webtoon. I've never heard of that before. Clip Studio Paint, cool. What's Webtoon then, I wonder? Paint Studio Webtoon features creating digital comics. Oh, I like that they're covering Clip Studio Paint. I love that. What I like here is the lighting. I like all the white bits. Titties. Look at the way the look at how subtle. Look how subtle the colour shift is, but it's like it makes a massive difference. Makes it feel more full. Yeah, it feels too plasticky over there. Oh, little reviews. Yay! Character Design Collection Heroines 3D Total Publishing. I would give that a 5 out of 5. For me, that's one of my favourite books so far. Little pen tablet. How much is that, I wonder? 320 quid. You get a little thing with it though, look. That's quite cool. I've never heard of Zen's Labs before. The Art of the Mitchells versus Machines. Quite fun. Oh, I got a 4 out of 5. I would have given that a 5. I'm going to read that in a minute. World, the art of Raphael Lacoste. Cool name for a book. Yay, look, there's another one. There's a new one of these. The thing is, I'm a bit confused with these. These books here, they're actually full of the pages, the sketchbook pages from these magazines. But I'm not sure whether they're the same or not. I've got one of these, but what happened was one time at Bandcamp, one time I went into W.H. Smith's, which is a local magazine shop. They had a different issue, but when I flicked through it, it looked like the same sketches from the one I already had. So I didn't buy it, but they must be new. I like this one here, look. Traditional artist. Oh, that's cool. Look at the lightning bolt. Yeah, I like that. She's nice. This is an artist to look into. Jana Hieska. Oh, look. Those lovely shapes. Looks like her hair, it looks like the hair is like waves. What about this one here, look? My favourite's that one. So simple. But one little thing I've noticed though, you see this line here, I don't think they did, what's it called, drawing through, because it looks like that line goes over to there. I would have pulled that line down a little bit. That's what I think, just looks a little bit like, I love that one, eh? Grow with me. Comic book heroes in watercolours. That's amazing, that is. Ben Harvey. You've got his little studio as well. That's cool. What's that, look? Yeah, he's got a gun. Yeah, he's getting to feel it for himself so he can put that into the drawing. That's amazing, that is, for watercolours. That's cool. And we end with the First Impressions by Clara Tessier. And that's it. Finish with the bum. But what's my favourite? Well, my favourite thing is those little characters. Where were they? This here, look. This is probably one of my favourite FX Pose pieces for a long time, that one. I'm going to look into this artist in a minute. Imagine that on the cover. That'd be amazing, that would. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a look at issue number 205 for November 2021 of the ImagineFX magazine. I thought it was brilliant. Little Derek the Donkey, he enjoyed himself. I hope you did, and I'll see you later for another one.